Hi, I'm Jess from Jess Loves Fred. I love getting my hair coloured. I actually got it coloured really recently and I love the colour. I'm just a little worried because I always tend to get brassy hair. It gets really weak. I found this brand called Colour Wow and they do products for colour treated hair. I'm going to take you guys through some of my favourite products. I found this product called the Kale Cocktail, and the first time I put it on, my hair was twice as strong, which is incredible. It makes my hair supple, strong, and really healthy. It's awesome. I love this product. It's called the Brass Band Mousse, and when you put it in your hair, it just covers up all the brassy tones. It's really light, not sticky or crunchy like normal mousses are. It's kind of like a mousse 2.0, and it's alcohol free, which is pretty incredible for color treated hair. This is the final product. I'm so delighted with it. It looks amazing. There's so much bounce and gloss, and I honestly have never had this much volume in my hair, ever. You should follow them on Colour Wow Hair on Instagram. You can check out all their products, and if you have color treated hair, it's honestly the best thing. See you later.